All right, looks like we're recording. So, hey YouTube, today I will be doing an unboxing of these shoes from Ginanni. So, Ginanni is one of those direct-to-consumer brands. I believe this shipment came from Salt Lake City, Utah. So, I actually came across them on Instagram, and they had a model that caught my eye. So I've been looking for a sand colored boot for a while, and I had other shoe manufacturers that I was looking at, but then this one caught my eye, and it actually came in at a good price. So without further ado, let's just do this unboxing. So Ginanni is, like I said, is one of those direct-to-consumer brands, and this is a rough unboxing. And they finally, there we go. So what they say is on their website, they advertise the shoes as handcrafted in Spain, but designed in Utah. So let's see what we're getting into. It comes in this simple box. There's really nothing fancy about it. Oh wow, there's a scuff there. So background information. On their website, they actually recommend you to go a size down. So normally I wear size 11s in Nikes, even in Allen Edmonds, and I went a size down before. So I had actually had this boots come in before on a size 10, but it didn't quite fit. So like they were really tight. So going size down as they recommended on their site didn't quite work out for me. So I'm hoping this one will be a perfect fit. Here we go. Just a simple black box, nothing fancy. Maybe they probably use the same box they used before. Maybe that's why that could explain the scuff, but not the best presentation. All right, so here they have a $25 off your next order if you leave a review online. Looks like it. Thank you for your purchase. All right. So, okay, this is interesting. The shoe comes in a shoe bag. So let's get one pair out. Here it is. It's directly in a shoe bag, and then then wrapped in nylon as well. So, all right then. This looks pretty. So this is the sand colored boot I've been looking for a while. So I was looking at other brands. I actually had a few. I had like Carlos Santos, Mermin, Taft, and I think Herring from UK. But and I'll explain kind of why I picked this brand. Mainly it was kind of the price, and I thought it was a good price, and I wanted to try new brands as well. So I already have a different shoe from Carlos Santos, so I decided, like, let me just try a new brand. It may be good for the channel as well. And I haven't really seen a lot of people talking about Ginanni shoes, because I really tried to look online to see if there's any reviews on the shoes. So, but there was no reviews, unfortunately. So I'm kind of taking a risk here, but you know, it is what it is. But they look pretty good. It is made with a like a luxe suede. Like this suede feels really fancy, and looks like it's made with Blake stitched cork sole, and then rubber for traction here. So, and it looks like a day night. This is not like a day night, but like a I guess leather version of it, or cork version of it. So interesting. But yeah, can't wait to try this on. This is my first pair of Jodpuhr boots. I decided to also try something new. I have never had a Jodpuhr boot before, so and I have like 2 Chelsea boots already, so they have like similar silhouettes. But the suede feels really nice. Can't wait to try this on. So this model is called Cadiz, and obviously it's in sand colored. So, and then it's a Jodpuhr boot as well, because as you can see, the characteristics of a Jodpuhr boot is the that lace, or what do you call this? I can't even think of the word, but yeah, interesting. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I wear size 11, so I can't wait to try this out and then see if it works out. But what I would recommend is, if you're going to order from Ginanni, you should stick to your US men's size. Now these shoes ran me about $200, $199. So take that as you will. Do I think they're worth it? I'm not sure yet. Let me give them let me take it for a spin first before I jump to conclusions. But I'm excited to try this on. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching. Y'all have an awesome day. Here's kind of how they look on my feet. Okay, so here's how they look on my feet. You know, yeah, these shoes go really well with like a light wash denim. So okay.